Welcome to e-lesson on basics of digital electronics presented by B. Venkateshwarlu, senior lecturer. What is digital electronics? Digital electronics is that branch of electrons which deals with digital signals to perform various tasks and meet various requirements. It is based upon the digital design methodologies and consists of digital circuits, integrated circuits, ICs, and logic gates. It uses only binary digits, either 0 or 1. Why was digital electronics needed? Most analog systems were less accurate and were slow in computation and performance. Digital systems have ability to work faster than analog equivalents and can operate on very high frequencies too. It was much economical than analog methodologies as the performance was faster. The slide shown analog versus digital signals. Analog signal 1 whose output varies continuously in step with the input. Example, the sinusoidal signal. The sinusoidal signal is continuously varying with a time function. Digital signal 1 whose output varies at discrete voltage levels, commonly called high or low, 1 or 0. Digital signal, the square wave shown. So logic 0 level, logic 1 level, low level or high level. Example, digital system, image, digital module, the module which is consists of various logic gates, digital systems, examples, microprocessors and microcontrollers, etc. Computers. Number system. On completion of the period, you would be able to know, explain binary, octal, hexadecimal number system, comparison with the decimal system, convert a number from one number system to another. What is number system? It is a set of signals, it is a set of symbols used to express quantities as the basis for counting, comparing amounts, performing calculations, representing values, etc. Number system types. Popular number systems are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, binary coded decimal system, that is a BCD system. Base or radix. The base or radix of number system is the number of digits available in that system. Example, the base of the decimal system is 10. The base of binary system is 2. The base of octal system is 8. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16. Decimal number system. Uses of distinct symbols 0 to 1 represent different numbers. Uses 10 distinct symbols 0 to 9 to represent different numbers. The value of each digit in the number depends in its position in the number. Hence, it is a positional weightage number system. Positional weightage system. The positions integer values 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. Decimal point on the right side of the decimal point 10 to the minus 1, 10 to the minus 2, 10 to the minus 3. Its corresponding units are unit to 1, tens, hundreds, thousands. Whereas on the after decimal point 10 to the minus 1 means 1 by 10, 10 to the minus 2 is 1 is divided by 100, 10 to the minus 3 is 1 by 1000. These are the fractional values. On the decimal point to the left side, all are integer values. Representing a number in decimal system, the leftmost digit position has the highest weight, 10 to the power 3. Rightmost digit has the last weight, least significant digit, that is 10 to the minus 3. Representing a number in decimal system, the leftmost digit called most significant digit, the rightmost digit 10 to the minus 3 is the least significant digit. Representing a number in a decimal system, the rightmost digit is called least significant digit. 567 of base 10. It is written in powers of 10. 10 to the power of 0 multiplied with 7 plus 6 is multiplied with whose positional value is 10 to the power of 1 plus 5 of 10 to the power of 2. So 10 to the 2 means 100 of 5, 500 plus 6 of 10 is 60. 7 of 10 to the 0 is 1. 1 into 7. So 567 of base 10. Binary system. Binary system is the basis for most of modern gadgets. Example, calculators, cell phones, digital clocks, etc. Binary system, also called base 2 system. Only two positional digit values 0 and 1. All binary numbers are representing using binary positional weightage. The abbreviation of a binary digit is bit. It can be represent a digital signal. The pulse as shown here. Lower value is logic 1, logic 0. The high value is logic high or logic 1. Binary system, the binary weights, positional weighting system, power of 2. So it is written as from binary point to the left side 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. On the right side 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 3. Whose values are 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Whereas 2 to the power minus 1 is 0.5, 2 to the power minus 2 is 0.25, 2 to the power minus 3 is 0.125. So 2 to the power minus 3 is the least significant weight, which can be represented shortly as LSB. 2 to the power 3 is the most significant bit, MSB. So from the binary point, the left side the values are increasing. On the right side, the values are decreasing. Binary numbers, the decimal number corresponding binary numbers are shown on the table. 0, it can be represented in binary as 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 means 0, 0, 0, 1. 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0. 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. 8, 1, 0, 0, 0. 9 means 1, 0, 0, 1. 10, 1, 0, 1, 0. 11, 1, 0, 1, 1. 12, 1, 1, 0, 0. 13, 1, 1, 0, 1. 14, 1, 1, 1, 0. 15, 1, 1, 1, 1. Binary decimal conversion integers. Steps: write the binary number. Write binary weights to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3, etc. above the binary digits, starting with bit on the right hand side, LSB, say 1101. Below the binary weights, to the power of 0, to the power of 1, to the power of 2, to the power of 3, to the power of 4. Cross out the weights under the zeros. Add the remaining weights. So 1 of 2 to the power of 0, which is equivalent to plus 1 plus 2 to the power of 1 of 0 is 0 plus 2 to the power of 2 of 1 is 4. 2 to the power of 3 of 1 is 8. 2 to the power of 4 of 1, which is 16 of 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is equivalent to 29 of base 10. So the binary value 11101 of base 2, which is equivalent to 29 of base 10. Binary decimal conversion. Convert the following binary numbers into decimal. A 1111, whose decimal value is 15. B 100101, whose decimal value is 37. The binary value of 1101 whose value is 439 of decimal value. D 410011, whose value is 496. Decimal to binary conversion. It is necessary to convert decimal numbers into binary to make computer to accept. It is necessary to convert decimal numbers into binary to make the computer to accept. So the keyboard, we are feeding the data to the computers to the keyboard. The keyboard, we are pressing the decimal values. Internally, it is converting into binary. So the computers, the CPU, it can understand only digital signals. It can be processed only digital signals. That is binary. Decimal to binary conversion, double method. In this method, the decimal number is repeatedly divided by 2 till the quotient becomes 0 with a remainder of 1. The flow chart for this double method: start, divide by 2, record the quotient Q and remainder R. The decision box is Q equivalent to 0, the quotient equivalent to 0. If no, again go back and start. If it is yes, collect or into desired binary number and then record it and end. Decimal to binary conversion. Find the binary equivalent of decimal 25. Division, quotient, remainder. 25 by 12. We will get the quotient is 12 and remainder is 1. Similarly, 12 by 2. Quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. Again the 6 is divided by 2. Quotient is 3. Remainder is 0. 3 by 2. Quotient is 1. Remainder is 1. 1 by 2. Quotient is 0. Remainder is 1. So here the quotient is 0. The MSB value is the last value is the MSB. The first value is the LSB. You write from the MSB to LSB. That is the binary number. Decimal to binary conversion. Find binary equivalent of decimal 25. Is equivalent to so whose binary value is equivalent to 11001. The answer is read from the last remainder and up as shown by the arrow. Example, find binary equivalent of decimal 25. 125 of base 10. 125 is divided by 2 and we will get a 65 quotient and remainder is 1. Again the 65 is divided by 2. 31 quotient and remainder is 0. 31 is divided by 2. We will get quotient is 15. Remainder is 1. 15 is divided by 2. Quotient is 7. Remainder is 1. 7 is divided by 2. Quotient is 3. Remainder is 1. 3 is divided by 2. We will get a quotient 1. Remainder is 1. 1 is divided by 2. We will get 0 quotient and remainder is 1. 125 of base 10, which is equivalent to 5 ones 0 1 of base 2. Octal number system. An octal number system has a base of 8. It uses the digits, 8 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. From 0 to 7, total 8. Decimal to octal conversion, integers. Octal double, a method similar to double double is used. Divide the decimal number repeatedly by 8 until the quotient becomes a 0. Write down the remainders after each division. The remainders in a reverse order form the octal number. Find the octal number of decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 of base 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 is divided with 8. The quotient is 154. Remainder is 2. 154 again with division with 8. Quotient is 19. Remainder is 2. 19 again is divided with 2. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 3. 2 is division with 8. Quotient is 0. Remainder is 2. You write from lower to up of the remainders. The value of octal number is corresponding to decimal value of 1234 of base 10, which is equivalent to octal number of 2322 of base 8. Find the octal equivalent of decimal number 175. 175 is with division with 175 division with 8 will get 21 now, and remainder is 7. Again division with 8 will get quotient is 2 and remainder is 5. 2 is with division with 8 will get 0 of quotient and remainder is 2. You write from lower to up, will get 257 of octal number, that is base 8. 257 of base 8. For fractions, with the decimal fractions, multiply by 8 instead of divide. Write the carry into integer position. Example, convert 0.23 into octal fraction. 0.23 is multiplied with 8, we'll get 1.84. In that, the fractional part is 0.84 with carry of 1. Again 0.84 is multiplied with 8, we'll get result is 6.72. In that the fractional part is 0.72 with carry of 6. 0.72 of 8, which is equivalent to 5.76. 0.76 is the fractional part with carry of 5. Hence the octal fraction is 0.165 approximately. We write from high to low, from 1 to 165 like that. So we'll get 0.165 octal fraction. Octal to decimal conversion. The conversion is as follows. Example, convert the octal 0.28 into decimal. So 0.2 0.2 of 8 to the power of minus 1, 8 of 8 to the power of minus 2. So we'll get 2 of 0.125 plus 8 of 0.015625. We'll get 0.25 plus 0.125, 0.375. 0.28 of octal, which is equivalent to 0.375 of base 10. Octal to binary conversion. Replace each octal digit by its 3-bit binary equivalent. The 8 octal digits and 3-bit binary equivalent. Octal digits: 0 means 3-bit binary 000, 1 means 001, 2 means 010, 3 means 011, 4 means 100, 5 means 101, 6 means 110, 7 means 111. Octal to binary conversion. Convert the octal number 736 into binary. Octal digit is 736. The corresponding values are in binary values. 7 means in 3-bit 111. 3 means 011. 6 means 110. So the total binary value is corresponding to octal of 736, which is equivalent to 111011110 of base 2. Binary to octal conversion. The binary number is converted into a group of 3 bits each, starting at binary point. Makes groups of 3 bits starting from binary point, moving towards left for integer part. Make the group of 3 bits starting from binary point, moving towards the right for fractional part. Add 0 to the left of integer and right of the fractional part whenever necessary. Replace each group of 3 bits by its octal digit. Binary to octal conversion. 1001111.11 of base 2 convert into octal. The given number is grouped into 3 bits as shown in the slide. 111001 1. By adding zeros on the left side, the same is written as 111 001 001. After fractional part 0 is added, so it is written as 110. 111 corresponding to 7. 001 corresponding to 1. 001 corresponding to 1. So it is 117.110 means it is 6. So the final octal number is 117.6 of base 8. Binary to octal conversion. 0.101 00110 of base 2 convert into octal number. So we have to write into group of 3 bits. 0.101 means 5, 001 means 1, 100 means 4, 514.514 of base 8. Binary and decimal equivalents of octal numbers. 0, even is binary is 000, octal is 0. 1 is 001, in octal it is 1. 2 means 010, in octal also 2. 3 means 011, in octal also 3. 4 means 100, octal is 4. 5 means 101, octal is 5. 6 means 110, octal is 6. 7 means 111, 7. 8 means 1000, in octal is it is 10. 8 means 10. 9 means 1001. It is 11 in octal. 10 means 1010. In octal it was 12. Hexadecimal numbers. It is a weighted code. Hexadecimal number is a weighted code. The base of hexadecimal number is system is 16. It is a radix of 16. Hexadecimal number system has 16 digits. It uses 0 to 9 digits and A to F alphabets. Capital A to F alphabets. So hexadecimal number system has a 16 digits, out of which 0 to 9 digits remaining are alphabets from capital A to F. Total 16. After reaching 9 in hexadecimal system, we continue counting as A, B, C, D, E and F. Used extensively in microprocessor systems. Hexadecimal to binary conversion. To convert a hexadecimal number to binary number, convert each hexadecimal digit to its 4-bit equivalent binary. Hexadecimal number, its corresponding 4-bit binary 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 means 0, 0, 0, 1. 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0. 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. 7 means 0, 1, 1, 1. 8 means 1, 0, 0, 0. 9 means 1, 0, 0, 1. A 1, 0, 1, 0. B is 1, 0, 1, 1. C is 1, 1, 0, 0. D is 1, 1, 0, 1. E is 1, 1, 1, 0. F is 1, 1, 1, 1. For example, 9AF.3 hexadecimal is converted into binary as follows. 9AF.3. 3 can represent in 4 bits as 0011. F means 4 ones. A means 1010. 9 means 1001. It is a 4-bit binary equivalent corresponding to 9AF.3. 9AF.3 of radix 16, which is equivalent to 1001, 1010, 1111.0011 of radix 2. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. A given binary number can be converted into hexadecimal number by grouping the given binary number into 4 bits. Add zeros on the left side whenever necessary. Replace each group by its equivalent hexadecimal digit. The grouping should be considered from LSB towards MSB. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. The binary number is 1011001001. Group of 4 bits. So here 1011001001. So 100 on the left side, make 2 zeros, adding 2 zeros on the left side, which makes 0010, 1100, 1001. 1001 means 9, 1100 means C, 0010 means 2. 2C9 of radix 16. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. A given fractional binary number can be converted into hexadecimal number by grouping the given binary number into 4 bits. For example, the binary number is 0.1011001001. The grouping should be considered from LSB towards MSB in 4 bits for integer parts. The integer part is shown here 0.1011001001. Adding zeros on the right side, which makes 0.101100100100. 1011 means B. 001 means 10 means 2. 0100 means 4. So it was 0.B24 of radix 16. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Divide the decimal number successfully by 16 until the quotient becomes 0. Write down the remainders after each division. The remainders in the reverse order form the hexadecimal number. Convert the decimal number 873 into hexadecimal. Here 873 is division by 16. We'll get quotient is 54, remainder is 7. 54 again division with 16. Quotient is 3, remainder is 6. Again with 16 we'll get remainder is 3. Quotient is 0. Right from lower to up, we'll get 367 of radix 16. So 1 to 3 of base 10 convert into radix 16. 1 to 3 is repeatedly division by 16. Write down the quotients and remainders. We'll get the answer is 4D2 of radix 16. For a fractional part with the decimal fractions, multiply by 16, write the carry into integer position. For example, decimal number 0.5 is converted into hexadecimal as follows. 0.5 of 16 will get 8.0. So here carry is the 8. Therefore, 0.5 of base 10, which is equivalent to 0.8 of radix 16. Summary: in this session, we have learned about decimal number system, binary number system, conversion from binary to decimal number, decimal to binary. In this next session, we will be learning octal hexadecimal number system. I have discussed about octal number system, octal positional weights to decimal. Decimal repeated division with by 8 to will get octal. Octal groups of 3 bits is will get binary. Hexadecimal positional weights will get decimal value. Decimal value repeatedly division by 16 will get hexadecimal. Hexadecimal write in the groups of 4 bits will get a binary number. Decimal value and corresponding binary, octal, hexadecimal numbers as shown in the table. 0 means binary 0, octal 0, hexadecimal 0. 1 means 1, 1, 1, 1. 2 means in binary 1, 0, whereas in octal 2, hexadecimal is 2. 3 means binary is 1, 1, octal is 3, hexadecimal 3. So 4, 1, 0, 0, 4, 4. 5 is 1, 0, 1, 5, 5. 6 is 1, 1, 0, 6, 6. 7 means 1, 1, 1. Octal 7, whereas hexadecimal is 7. 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. Octal 1, 0, hexadecimal 8. 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. Octal is 11. Hexadecimal is 9. 10 means 1010. Octal is 12. Hexadecimal is A. Alphabets A. 11 is 1011. Octal is 13. Hexadecimal is alphabets B. 12 is 1100. 14. Hexadecimal is C. 13 is 1101. 15 D. 14 is 1110. 16 is 16 and hexadecimal is E. For 15, binary is 4 ones, octal is 17, hexadecimal is F. Quiz. A number system used in decimal systems or computers, a decimal value, binary, Roman, all. The number system in digital systems or computers are, answer is B, binary numbers are used. Quiz 2. Decimal equivalent of 110, A 6, B 7, C 8, D 11. The answer is 6. How many digits are there in the octal system? 9, 10, 8, 11. The answer is digits are 8 from 0 to 7. Answer is third one is correct. What is the base of the number in octal system? 1 is 9, 2 is 10, 3 is 8, 4 is 11. Octal system means it is the radix of 8 or base 8. So our answer is 3 means 8 is correct. What is the octal equivalent of 8? 10, 11, 15, 16. Answer is 10. What is the decimal equivalent of octal number 12? 8, 9, 10, fourth one 11. Our answer is 10. Hexadecimal number system is used in microprocessor system, watches, calculators, all of the above. All of the above is correct answer. Hexadecimal number system is a weighted code, a unweighted code. There is no positional value. It is weighted and unweighted. Our answer is it is a weighted code. The frequently asked question from this topic: what is the base of decimal system? What is the maximum value of binary digit can have? Which digit is called MSB? Which digit called LSB? Convert to decimal 58 into binary and vice versa. Convert to decimal 247 into octal. Convert to 3267.5198 decimal into octal. Convert to 306.25 octal into decimal. Convert to 22.74 octal into decimal. Convert to 765.31 octal into binary. Convert to 110.11101.1 binary into octal. Convert the following binary numbers into hexadecimal and then into decimal. 110.11100.101010. B 01010011.010101. C 10110011. Second question, convert the following numbers from decimal into hexadecimal and then to binary. A 375, B 249, C 27.125. Binary arithmetic. Our next topic is binary arithmetic. On the completion of the period, you will be able to know. Perform the following arithmetic binary operations. That is the binary addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So here binary arithmetic equations are addition, binary addition, subtraction, multiplication as division as similar to the decimal arithmetic. Write ones and twos complement of binary number. Perform subtraction of binary numbers using twos complement method. Binary addition, 0 plus 0 which is equivalent to 0. 0 plus 1 which is equivalent to 1. 1 plus 0 which is equivalent to 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Sum 0 carries 1. Binary addition, two n-bit values, add individual bits, propagate carries. Example, 1100 plus 1110. The addition is performed between the two numbers. 00 means sum 0 carries 0. 01 means sum 1 carries 0. 11 means sum 0 and carries 1. So here we are having 1 bits, again one more carry, we'll get 1. Sum is 1, carry is 1. So here sum 0 carry 0, sum 1 carry 0, carry is forwarded, carry is 1 forwarded, and sum is represented 0. Now all with 3 ones means sum is 1, carry is 1. Addition of binary numbers, 111000, 11010, sum 0 carry 0, sum 1 carry 0, sum 1 carry 0, sum 0 and carry 1, and sum 1 carry 1. So result is 110100. Binary subtraction, 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 10 minus 1 is 1. Here taken a borrow. Subtraction of binary numbers. Subtract column by column. Borrow bit. So 1101 Subtraction of 1 0 1 0. 1 minus 0 is difference is 1. 0 minus 1 means you take borrow 1. The difference is 1. Already borrow means there is a 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. The result is 0 0 1 1. Binary multiplication can be performed as 0 is multiplied with 0 is 0, 0 is multiplied with 1 is 0, 1 is multiplied with 0 is 0, 1 is multiplied with 1 is 1. Multiplication binary to n-bit values as with decimal values. Example 1110 multiplied with 1011 will get as it is multiplying with 1 will get as 1110. Again multiplying with 1 will get 1110. 0 is multiplied with the number will get all zeros. Again 1. Adding this all the numbers will get 100 11010. Multiply 1011 by 101. So 1 is multiplied with the number will get number 1011 by LSB 1 1. Multiplying with 0 1011 by next bit 0 all zeros. Multiplying 1011 by MSB value 1 will get 1011. Adding all three numbers, answer is 110111. Verification 11 of 5. 1011 corresponding to decimal value is 11. 101 is decimal equivalent is 5. 11 is multiplied with 5 is 55. Binary division. Binary division is familiar to decimal division. Example, divide 1111 by 11. The dividend is 1111. The divisor is 11. The 4 ones division with 1 1 will get 11 1 11. 1 1 is 1 1 1 1 1. Take the difference 0 1 0 0 0. Again 1 1. 1 1 of 1 is 1 1. Remainder is 0. The quotient is 101. And the verification 101 means it is 5. All 4 ones means 15. 1 1 means 3. 15 is division with 3 will get 5. Decimal equivalent. Representation of binary numbers. Sign magnitude form. 1's complement representation. 2's complement representation. 1's complement. Complement each bit by 1 time. Changing ones into zeros and zeros into ones. that is 1's complement. For example, binary number 1001. Here 1's complement of this 1000. So 1 is complemented, it is represented as a 0. So 0 complement is 1, 0 complement is 1, 0 complement is 1. Two's complement. Most common scheme of representing negative numbers in computers. Offers natural arithmetic, no special rules. To represent a negative number in 2's complement notation, decide upon the number of bits. Find the binary representation of positive value in n bits. Flip all bits, change ones to zeros and vice versa. Add 1. 2's complement is the number that results when we add 1 to 1's complement. 2's complement is equivalent to 1's complement plus 1. Binary number 1011. 1's complement is 0100. Adding 1 will get as 0101. Complementary notation. Conversion between the positive and negative numbers are easy. For binary base 2 or radix 2, positive 2's complement form will get the negative. Negative 1, write 2's complement, will get the positive 1. Example, plus 5 is written as 000101. 2's complement, zeros is complemented as written as ones. One's complement is zeros, 010. 111 add 1 111 which is a minus 5. Minus 5 2's complemented, zeros and 101, 3 zeros 101, adding 1 will get a positive number, that is 000101. Binary subtraction. A minor number b is a subtrahend. A minus b will get the difference. A minus b, a positive, b is negative. A plus 2's complement of b, binary subtraction. So here the negative number is written in the form of positive number by 2's complementing. 2's complement is a 1's complement plus 1. So minus b became a plus b, then a plus b is added. So the subtraction operation is performed in the form of addition. Binary subtraction, case 1, subtrahend is smaller than minand. Find 2's complement of subtrahend. Add this 2's complement to the minand. Neglect the carry. For example, subtract 0110 from 1101 by using 2's complement method. 1101 minand 01010 is subtrahend. 2's complement of 0110 is 101 1001 plus 1, which becomes a 1010. So minand is 1101, add it. So 2's complement of subtrahend 1010. Neglect the carry. We'll get the result is 0111. The difference is 0, 1, 1, 1. Case 2, subtrahend is larger than minand. Find the 2's complement to subtrahend. Add the 2's complement to the minand. The result is negative and in 2's complement form and no carry. To get the difference, take the 2's complement and put minus sign. Example, subtract 1101 from 1000 using 2's complement method. Subtrahend 1101. 2's complement of subtrahend is 0010 plus 1 will get 0011. Add to the minand 1000 will get subtrahend is 0011. The result is 1011, no carry. The answer is 2's complement of 1011. So that is 0100 plus 1. I put sign before that. Quiz. What is the complement of 1001? A. 0110. B. 1000. C. 1011. D. 1111. So one's complement, what is the complement of 1001? So 1 is complemented as 0, 0 is complemented 1, 1 is complemented. So our answer is A is correct. 0110. Advantage of 2's complement subtraction is subtraction can be done using adder circuit, increase the arithmetic hardware, decrease the arithmetic software, addition made simple. The answer is A. Subtraction can be done using adder circuit. The frequently asked questions. Use the 2's complement method to perform the following subtractions. A. 4 ones minus 1011. B. 1100 11 minus 100 101. C. 100 101 minus 1100 11. D. 1011 minus 1111. Thank you.